Hey, what's up, guys? This is going to be a very quick little video. As most of you know, or some of you may know, that back in June 26th of 2020, I got broadsided in a Rite Aid parking lot. And ever since then, my car's been down. And I haven't had my car for, let's say, close to 3 months now. It's almost September. So that really sucks. But luckily enough, the guy from the body shop sent me a picture. It's a picture of my passenger side back quarter panel, all fixed. It's been not spray painted, but it's been painted. It went to the booth. It has a brand new door, and I'm stoked to show you guys. I know most of this is kind of stupid, but I'm really excited that I got my car back. It's been quite some time since I've had this car, since I've drove it. I've been using the company pickup truck, which I'm very thankful that my boss was letting me use that to cart my ass back and forth to work. I've had a coworker pick me up from a town over to come pick me up and bring me to work. So that got kind of tiresome and bothersome, and it got kind of old, to be quite honest with you. I work in the same town that the warehouse is in, which is in New Milford, Connecticut. So it's not too bad, thank God. But I'm glad that I don't need to have my buddy Angel to come pick me up anymore. The only reason why he was doing that because the other guys that I work with, Jeff, who's a warehouse manager, he actually goes out in the pickup truck to do deliveries and stuff like that, small like orders and whatnot. If either Angel or I are on vacation or want to take a day, and the CDL flatbed needs to go out, Jeff will hop into the flatbed and do deliveries from there. So he's like kind of like a backup driver. So that's why sometimes Angel would have to come and pick me up, because Jeff would take the pickup truck home from the warehouse to go do deliveries out in Long Island. And it's a lot easier and quicker to hop on 95 here in Connecticut to go to Long Island from where he lives in New Haven. So that's about it. So I'm going to show you before and after, and hopefully you guys will enjoy. Links to Whiteline and MAPerformance will be linked in the description below. You can use the MAPerformance link to buy stuff if you like. And Whiteline, I'll drop my promo code just in case you guys want to get anything for your car. Please do support those good dudes, and yeah, enjoy. Hopefully in the future, maybe not this year, maybe next year, there'll be more car videos and stuff like that. Right now, I've been doing a lot of PlayStation Vita. I just learned how to jailbreak the Vita like 2 months ago, so I'm really enjoying that right now. I set up an Etsy account. I just had 2 customers purchase a mail-in modding system type deal. So they send me their PlayStation Vita. I would mod it for them, and I'd send it back to them fully modded. You could download free PSP games, PlayStation Mobile, PlayStation Vita games, all for free. And I loaded up something called RetroArch, where you could play old school video games, Sega, Nintendo. So I'm really having fun with that. It's $85, free shipping to the people within the U.S. I don't do any overseas stuff right now, not yet. And I don't know if I want to start buying like a bunch of PlayStation Vitas, mod them, and then sell them on my Etsy store for a little bit more than $85 and stuff like that. But right now, just give me something to do during this weird ass time of 2020, and can't wait for this year to go and bring in the new year of 2021. Accident happened June 26th on a Friday. That following week, either Monday or Tuesday, they brought the car over here to Modzelewski's. They had to order parts from Japan. That took a while. Got broadsided back here, the rear quarter panel, pushed in the door, had damage to the tire and the rim. They fixed that. They vacuumed and cleaned and stuff like that, they told me. It smells really nice in there too. This is my stuff from just now. I threw it in here. So I'm happy to get my car back.